Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have the coffee table battle featuring three robot vacuums, the Xiaomi S40 Pro, the Xiaomi Robotvacuum 5, and the Dreame L10s Pro Gen 3. How do they fare against the coffee table of doom? While Charlie is over there soaking up some sun, I'm gonna put these robots to the test. We're looking at how they handle tricky obstacles. Do they navigate smoothly? Do they give up? Will they get stuck, or are they going to ram the table across the room? The goal of this video, and my channel, is to give you real insight into how these devices actually work. I want you to know exactly what the pros and cons are before you decide to buy one. If you find this comparison helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. Who do you think will win, and who is the winner in your opinion after you've seen the video? Post in the comments. I hope you enjoy the video, and I'll see you in the next one.